Hey guys, and welcome back. And I've just finished building up my C24 What an awesome little kit. It was a pleasure to build. We've got that real wooden bed on there, and yeah, it really does look the part. And whilst I was building it, I came across a little hiccup. The issue I had was getting the Res 3 to fit nicely underneath the hood. And there's been a video that Ed has made. Check that out as well if you want another perspective on how to get this to fit. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Res 3 installed on the C34/44, also the C14/24, and the B series and the C54. I know it's a lot of numbers, but yeah, I'll leave the chapters down below so you can go to the specific model that you're looking to get this mounted up on, and yeah, it'll make things a lot quicker. You don't have to watch the whole video. So whilst this year, we're going to start with the C34/44. Now, to get it to fit, it's just going to be a quick, simple show and tell here, guys. Yeah, I know it doesn't look pretty. To cater for all the wires underneath, yeah, what I did was simply just trim away the engine bay, and yeah, that gave me plenty of room then to get it in. I'll give you a closer look at that there, guys. But yeah, that's how I got the Res 3 installed onto my C44. So next up is the B series. These are all pretty much the same. The B14/16 has got a pop hood, so is the B36, but the battery lives there in the front bonnet. The B24 is no different. It's just got a bit of a fold down cab, which yeah, I really like. And yeah, what I've done, I've mounted the Res 3 there. I've run a longer cable through, and then I've got the battery then living comfortably. Let me quickly pop this for you. And then I've got the battery then hidden in a box there under the tarp. But yeah, there's no right or wrong way to do this, guys. This is just me showing you how I've got mine mounted up, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas and you can get yours mounted up. So next we're going to take a look at the C54. This was probably the easiest of the bunch. As everyone knows, WPL, they do like to make improvements, and one of those improvements was more room for our electronics. So yeah, this was just a simple case of, yep, sitting the V3 in there. I've got plenty of room for my battery, and then the speaker is behind the servo. So yeah, just a really simple one for the C54. And next we're going to take a look at the C14/24. Last but not least, what I'll do, I'll put some pictures in now, guys, save me taking off the body, to show you exactly what I've done to make this fit. Pretty much took a Stanley knife. I've got the old trusty cutting mat. I pretty much then just trimmed the part that you can see in the photos away. And yeah, this made installing the Res 3 to the C14/24 really easy. And yeah, just a quick one from me today, guys. I highly recommend the Res 3. I will admit it is a bit of a pain to get it mounted up. Hopefully my video will, give you some ideas on how to get it installed. And like I said, there is no right or wrong way to do this. This is just the way I've done it. Yeah, leave down in the comments below, guys, how you have mounted yours, and maybe give other people ideas. Let's all help each other to utilize this awesome little setup. And yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.